Hey there, how's it going? This is Eric with learning the ABCs of FPV. And not a lot of time to fly, which sucks because I need the practice. But got to pay the bills, got to work, to also need to make money to buy parts and supplies for the drones. But yeah, I was able to sneak in a couple flights in between jobs. Had a nice little backyard, so brought my drone with me, was able to sneak in a couple flights on a break or at the end of the job. Haven't done much flying with the Redcat. Haven't had the space or the areas to do any flying with that. Plus, the last time I flew the Redcat, lost my signal. First time I've had that happen. It got too far away from me or blocked from some trees, and had no control over the Redcat drone. Thought I lost the GoPro and the drone. Found everything, but definitely made me a little tentative. So I got a few things I want to do next week. Get the Redcat out again. Maybe try to bind that with the Spectrum transmitter. Need to get back to doing some more acro. Haven't really progressed anymore in the last month or two, or advancing any bit, because yeah, not practicing on the acro. So need to just do it and go through the learning curve again. But that's about all I got for now. Until next time, see ya.